Hello and welcome. In this video, we will tackle a popular coding interview problem, finding a pair of nodes with a specific sum in a binary search tree. This is a variation of the classic two-sum problem, but applied to a tree structure. Here is the problem. You are given the root of a binary search tree and a target number k. You need to return true if there are two distinct nodes in the tree whose values add up to k, otherwise return false. For example, in this tree, if our target is 14, we can see that 6 and 8 sum to 14, so we return true. The simplest way to solve this is to remember a key property of binary search trees. An Inorder Traversal yields the node values in sorted ascending order. So, step 1 is to traverse the tree and store the values in a list. Step 2, once we have a sorted list, we can use the standard two-pointer technique to find the pair. Let's analyze this approach. The time complexity is big O of n because we visit every node once. However, the space complexity is also big O of n because we are creating a new list that stores all the node values. While this works, using linear extra space is not ideal for large trees. Can we optimize this? To optimize space, we need to simulate the two-pointer technique directly on the tree without converting it to an array first. In a sorted array, we have a left pointer starting at the beginning and a right pointer at the end. In a BST, the beginning is the smallest element and the end is the largest element. We can use iterators to move through the tree just like pointers in an array. We need two iterators. A forward iterator that moves from the smallest to the largest value, and a reverse iterator that moves from largest to smallest. We implement these using a stack. The stack allows us to pause and resume the recursion, giving us the next or previous value one by one. This is crucial for keeping our space complexity low. Here is the core logic. We initialize I to the smallest value and j to the largest. We loop while I is less than j. If their sum equals the target, we found our pair. If the sum is less than the target, we need a larger value, so we advance the left iterator. If the sum is greater, we need a smaller value, so we move the right iterator backward. Let's visualize this. Suppose our target is 14. Our left pointer is at 3 and right pointer is at 12. The sum is 15. Since 15 is greater than 14, we need to reduce the sum. We keep the left pointer where it is, but we move the right pointer to the next smaller value, effectively moving inwards from the right side. Now for the complexity of our optimized approach. The time complexity remains big O of n as we still process each node at most once. But look at the space complexity. It is now big O of h, where h is the height of the tree. This is because our stack only ever holds a single path from root to leaf, which is much better than storing all n nodes. To summarize, while the naive approach of converting the tree to a list works, it consumes significant memory. By using the BST iterator pattern with a stack, we achieve the same time efficiency, but drastically reduce the memory usage to just the height of the tree. This is the optimal solution expected in technical interviews.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.